Digital wellness parenting means helping children use screens, apps, and games in healthy ways. It is not about banning all technology. It is about teaching balance, safety, and self-control. Why does this matter? Screens can be wonderful. They can teach, entertain, and help children talk with family and friends. But too much screen time can make it harder to sleep, move, focus, or enjoy other activities. Just like eating only one food would not keep the body strong, using only screens would not give a child a full and healthy day. Parents can think of digital wellness like gardening. A good garden needs sunlight, water, and time. Children also need different kinds of daily care. They need play, rest, learning, movement, conversation, and quiet moments. Screens can be one part of the garden, but not the whole garden. One important skill is setting clear limits. Rules work best when they are simple and steady. For example, families may choose no screens during meals, no devices before bedtime, or a set time for games after homework. When children know what to expect, it is easier for them to follow the plan. Another important skill is choosing quality. Not all screen time is the same. A child who is drawing, reading, learning music, or video chatting with a grandparent is using technology in a different way from a child who is scrolling mindlessly for a long time. Parents can help children notice the difference between useful screen time and tired, empty screen time. Adults also help by joining in. A shared video, a game played together, or a talk about a website can turn technology into a family activity instead of a separate world. Children learn a lot by watching how adults use devices. If grown-ups put phones away during conversations, children see that people matter more than notifications. Digital wellness also means teaching children to protect their minds and bodies. Bright screens can make eyes feel tired. Long sitting can make bodies stiff. Exciting content can make it hard to calm down. Short breaks, movement, and time away from screens help the brain reset, like opening a window to let fresh air into a room. Safety is part of wellness too. Children should know that not everything online is true, kind, or safe.